Hello and welcome back to our channel. You are watching 20 Best Essential Oils for Skincare, Part 2. And today we will share the second best essential oil for skin, that is, Neroli oil. Neroli oil is extracted from the flowers of the orange fruit, bitter orange, and has an enchanting citrus and floral aroma. Researchers found that this oil had a robust antifungal activity as compared to antibiotics. In fact, bitter orange can also rebuild the elasticity of your skin. Now, how to use Neroli oil for skincare. You will need 1 cup rose water. You can boil rose petals and extract the water. 1 tablespoon freshly scooped aloe vera. 10 drops of Neroli oil. Use 3 drops per 10 milliliters liquid. Now, preparation. Put all the ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well to mix the products. Spritz the mist on your face after a shower and whenever you wash your face. So, how often should you do this? And the answer is, every day as needed. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.